If you've got nothing to do, well, I've got a couple of tricks for you. So take a look at these vids. It's life hacks for kids. Hi, I'm Jordyn, and today's episode is Super Switch Hacks. I love my Switch so much. It's the best. Switch, 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 switch. Ah! Switch. It's so awesome that even the thought of it breaking or getting lost is too horrible for a switcher like me to even imagine. So today, let's protect that Switch with these Super Switch Hacks. First up, these game cards are so small, they're begging to be lost. I was so worried about it. I was squeezing my squishy nonstop for stress relief. Then I realized this squishy is the solution when you hack it into my squishy Switch card cube. For this, you'll need a squishy and an X-Acto knife. Lay a game card on top of the squishy as a guide and cut a slit in the squishy just slightly wider than the game card. Make additional slots about 1 inch apart. This squishy is big enough for 2 rows of 4. Now slip your cards into the slots and relax. Your squishy will safely hold them in place. Of course, one of the best things about the Switch is taking it on the go. But drop your Switch in a ditch and it's gonna glitch. So protect it with my Nintendo Switch case. For this, you'll need a hot glue gun, scissors, a paint marker, Velcro, a mint tin, a rubber band, washi tape, and a lunch bag. First, attach the 2 sides of Velcro like this. Now glue this down about 2 inches from the corner of the bag. Now lay down your Switch. Now cut the Velcro so it's the right length to wrap around the Switch. Repeat to make a strap in the other corner. Now strap your Switch in. Add another strap for a controller or charge cord. Now take a mint tin and glue it to the inside of the lid. Decorate the lid if you want. Now cut a piece of rubber band as wide as the inside of the tin. Glue down both ends. It's the perfect spot to store your games on the go. One small problem. I took my Switch to my friend's house and our Switches got switched. Well, no one wants a flip-flop Switch swap, and that will never happen again with my Trick Your Switch hack. For this, you'll need scissors, red and black Sharpies, washi tape, a boring Switch like this one, and labels. Cut a piece of washi tape equal to the length of the screen and apply it above the screen. Do the same on the bottom and sides of the screen. Now turn the switch over and use more washi tape to cover the back. Make sure not to tape over the kickstand or the speakers. Now to decorate the controller. To me, it already looks like a little dog. See? The ears, the eyes, and the nose. So to finish it off, draw a mouth on the label. Cut it out. Peel off the back and stick it to the controller. No one's gonna grab my controller by mistake ever again. See? Now my Switch has a new skin, and I'm ready to win! Oh! Remember to subscribe to DreamWorks TV and click here for more life hacks for kids with me, Jordyn.